Going starting now, and we will get going. Looks like Karen's unmuted, Judge is unmuted. We should be ready to proceed.
So let me first take an opportunity to thank you, Karen, for suggesting me, and Fred, I want to thank you also for asking me to do this. This is a true honor because there's no greater privilege than to be sworn in as a member of the Bar Association of the state of Washington. You know from already practicing, if you will, as an intern and extern and the import of what we do, but there's nothing like actually having the authority unto yourself to represent somebody else. To be their voice and to be their advocate is an extraordinary privilege in society. And I know from your own reputation that you're going to be somebody who will bring much to the bar in terms of your commitment to justice and to do the right thing. So again, it's an honor for me to do this. It's extraordinary in terms of the times that we are in. You'll be one of the few who's being sworn in when there is a global pandemic. You'll go down in history, and whether that's good or bad, I can't say. But what is more important than anything else is that we're celebrating you and your gifts and your desire to join this august profession. It truly is an honor to be a lawyer today. So what we ordinarily do when we swear an individual in is we ask a member of the bar to present the candidate. So I'm going to go ahead now and turn it over to Karen. I believe she's the one who's going to be presenting you today.
Yes, she will.
Just to see you on behalf of the Strip Matter Kessler Kohler Moore law firm and all of Fred's family and the community at large, we present to you Fred Rabb, whose remarkable story started in Seattle as he was born and raised here, took him through to become an actual banker who had an epiphany and decided that he wanted to give back to community and he wanted to represent injured people. So it is with great joy and honor that we send him over to you for his oath today.
It's terrific. It's great. And Karen, I'm just going to take a shot of you because I too am going to try to preserve this moment. Fred, let me ask if you're ready to take this oath.
Yes, I am.
All right, I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand. And I'm going to ask you to repeat after me, I, and then state your full legal name.
I, Fred McHenry Rabb,
do solemnly declare that I am fully subject
to
the laws of the state of Washington
and
the laws of the United States and will abide by the same. I will support the Constitution of the state of Washington and the Constitution of the United States. I will abide by the rules of professional conduct approved by the Supreme Court of the state of Washington. I will maintain the respect due to the courts of justice and judicial officers. I will not counsel or maintain any suit or proceeding which shall appear to me to be unjust or any defense except as I believe to be honestly debatable under the law, unless it is in defense of a person charged with a public offense. I will employ for the purpose of maintaining the causes confided to me only those means consistent with truth and honor. I will never seek to mislead the judge or jury by any artifice or false statement. I will maintain the confidence
the confidence,
and preserve inviolate
and preserve inviolate
the secrets of my client,
the secrets of my client,
and will accept no compensation
and will accept no compensation
in connection with the business of my client,
in connection with the business of my client,
unless this compensation is from
unless this compensation is from
or with the knowledge and approval of the client,
or with the knowledge and approval of the client,
or with the approval of the court.
or with the approval of the court.
I will abstain from all offensive personalities
I'll abstain from all offensive personalities
and advance no fact
and advance no fact
prejudicial to the honor or reputation
prejudicial to the honor or reputation
of a party or witness,
of a party or witness,
unless required by the justice of the cause
unless required by the justice of the cause
with which I am charged.
with which I am charged.
I will never reject
I will never reject
from any consideration
from any consideration
personal to myself
personal to myself
the cause of the defenseless
the cause of the defenseless
or oppressed,
or oppressed,
or delay unjustly
or delay unjustly
the cause of any person.
the cause of any person.
Congratulations. And I think it's appropriate to
All
clap.
right. Here's some unmuting, Fred. Here we go.
Congratulations, Fred.
Yay! Way to go, Fred!
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank you all for
Congratulations,
Fred.
Brad.
Congratulations.